Bentonite can be used as a waterproof material, such as bentonite waterproof blanket, bentonite waterproof board, and its supporting materials, laying by mechanical fixing method. Widely used, it can also be processed by ball pressing machine. Bentonite ball pressing machine, reliable quality, a multi-purpose machine, strong pressure, suitable for large, medium, and small enterprises with a certain scale of production line use. Suitable for industrial gas, boiler, cold pressing focus, ignition briquette, civil metallurgy, resistant materials, medicine, and other materials forming. Bentonite ball press, after many years of industrial use and improvement, compared with other similar products, bentonite ball press has the advantages of high ball formation rate, low power consumption, compact structure, and easy maintenance and debugging.